What I also do quite often is, because I do my mastering myself, you're probably not supposed to do that, but it's like DJ tricks, you know. DJs, we play with like the FX on turntables. We put the faders down a bit during the build up, so when it drops, we have like a little volume volume up effects. And I would do the same. So I would probably first I do my mix like that, and then if I want do a mastering with maybe ozone, for example, after ozone, I will probably write a really little curve of 1.5 till or 2 dB when it goes a bit down the volume, and straight on the kick I would go back to 0. So it's like it's a little trick that works.